You don't need any extra tools to install this. All you need is your wood, the RotGuard, and your hands. Hey guys, today we're going to be showing off and installing our new RotGuard. Really excited about this product. First thing, we got a 25-year warranty on these guys when you put them on your post. It only applies for pressure treated lumber and cedar heartwood, but any other lumber, I guarantee you, it will at least double the life of that lumber. It's going to last a lot longer than it originally would without the RotGuard. When you're installing these onto a post, you want to try to make sure that your post is 18% or less moisture. If it's not, then it's not that big of a deal. You can still install it, but it's definitely recommended to try to have your wood 18% or below on the moisture. So when installing the RotGuard barrier, we recommend that you have it at least 2.5 inches below or above the grass line. We actually have on our RotGuard, we have a nice little line that'll show you where the grass line is supposed to be. So if you're digging your post 24 inches deep, then the top of your RotGuard should lay at 26 inches or 26.5. Next, on our RotGuard, we have a beautiful scale on the top and the bottom. The hashes lead out to 1-inch marks. So you can use that as kind of a little reference when you're wrapping around so that it matches up with itself. You don't need the RotGuard to be at the bottom of your post because rot only happens in the first 6 to 8 inches of ground. So the bottom's not going to matter. If you end up putting a screw or a nail through your RotGuard while it's on the post, off the post, then it will actually self-heal over time. The hole will close in on itself, so you don't have to worry if you accidentally stab a hole into it, poke it. This RotGuard specifically is meant for 4x4 posts. It can fit all the way from 3.5-inch post up to 4 1/8. It might be a little big on your 3.5-inch post. You'll still be able to get a tight seal with the overlap. It's not going to be a big problem. Another great feature of RotGuard here is that this is not going to leave a mess on your job site. It's not going to leave a mess at your house. Wherever you're installing this, it's just an adhesive on the back. You don't need any extra tools to install this. All you need is your wood, the RotGuard, and your hands. No torch, no heating element, nothing. It just applies on nice and tight around the post, wrap it around, and you'll be good to go. This product is meant for your average Joe. It's not just for contractors, not just for professionals. Anybody can install this. Your wife, your kids, doesn't matter who it is. And then to prove that to you guys, I'm going to be installing this myself on this post. I'm by no means a professional at this. I've only done this a few times myself. I'm going to show you guys how to install it now. We'll line this up with a 26-inch mark. And we're going to squeegee it on. This gives us a nice, smooth, flush finish. Keep it nice and tight to the wood. And you'll just unravel the backing. Just peel it back as you go. We don't want any water, any moisture getting underneath this wrap. That's it. It only took us a couple minutes to get it on. Fully adhered on. There's no way you're getting this thing off. It took us 2 of us to get it off last time we tried. This is now ready to go into the ground. Essentially no setup time, no cleanup time. It's truly the best defense for your fence.